Good morning, you all, and welcome back to another show of Knit and Stitches. Today I'm going to kind of go over and show you some of the looms that I had ordered, and I finally got them in the mail, and I'm so excited to use them. So as some of you know that has been following us on our channel or on our social media, we ordered some different looms to kind of get a feel of what each different loom is, how it's made, the quality, what the products come out looking like. As some of you know, I did show the last loom I had on my Facebook channel. I did get one from Cottage Looms. And when I posted that, a couple of my followers had mentioned looms from CinDwood. And I never heard of CinDwood. So I did a little research, kind of went in, read some reviews, stuff like that, kind of see what the big thing was about the Cindy looms. So I went in and I ordered 5 different ones, and I'm going to show those to you today. Okay, so my CinDwood looms that I had received, I went in and I kind of wanted to get a variety for like adult hats, child hats, washcloths, crowels, scarves. So I kind of did a variety of different sizes that I got. So I'm going to show you those here. This one here that I had gotten, this is one of the first ones that I had ordered. This one here is a 50 peg, 1/2 inch, more like for a child hat. Now I have not used these looms yet. I will be planning to use them, and then I will do another review on what I think of them and how sturdy and that they are. As far as just looking at them, they look very well made. The wood is nice and smooth on them. Let's see, the next one I got here. Now, I really like working with the tighter stitches. It just seems to me that the pattern comes out better for me when I work with the smaller yarn and the tighter or the closer pegs in that. I also got this one here. This is from CinDwood also. This is a 120 peg, 1/4 inch gauge loom. This is kind of like my Cottage loom, which I will show you here in a moment also. Let's see, actually I have it right here. So this one here is from Cottage Looms. I actually have 2 just like this. This is also a 120 peg loom, 1/4 inch gauge. So this is a Cottage loom and this is a CinDwood loom. So you can kind of see the difference. Now I'm going to tell you, the Cottage wood loom, I actually like the base of it better because it is more solid and thicker than the CinDwood loom. But like I said, I haven't really experienced with the CinDwood loom yet, but I am planning on doing that here shortly, and then I can get back with you and let you know what I think about it. The other thing I like about the Cottage wood looms is the pegs are metal and they're very strong. I mean, they don't move. They're solid. The CinDwood, as I was looking, I'm not sure. They seem kind of flexible, so it kind of makes me nervous if, you know, they're easy to break, then the the Cottage looms. So, but I'm going to try it out, and I will do another video on that later and let you know how I feel on that. They do seem like they're pretty good made. They do also come with, each package that you order, it does come with a little bottle of wood glue. That really made me feel a little bit better with these looms, because if for any reason the pegs come loose or come out, I can, you know, definitely put them back in. Another one I got, these are the Crowel looms here. I got this one here is a 40 peg 5/8 gauge loom. For, you could do, I guess, pretty much anything. I would think a hat, a crowel, a scarf, probably can even do a small strips for like a blanket. But again, like I said, I haven't used them yet, but I was kind of excited to share with you guys what I got. This is another oval one here for like a crowel. This one here is a 60 peg 5/8 gauge loom from CinDwood also. So we're going to try that one. I'm kind of excited to try that one and make a crowel, my first crowel on this one, only for the simple fact I like my crowels kind of bigger, bulkier, kind of hang around to keep me a little bit warmer. I also got a straight loom from CinDwood. Now, when I did see this on the website, I didn't it didn't quite look like the pegs were quite that close together, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to end up liking this one, because I believe you're going to have to use like a 1, maybe 2 weight yarn. I'm not sure, but I definitely won't be able to double it up because they're so close together. But this one here is a 50 peg 3/16 inch on the gauge. So that's this one. I was kind of hoping to do really tiny stitch strips for a strip blanket, different colors, or a washcloth on this because the stitches or the pegs were so tight, but we'll see how that comes out. So I'm going to kind of walk you around here, kind of show you the other looms that I have here. So I actually have here, as you can see, I hang all of my looms on a wall. These here are Nifty Knitter looms. I've got the 41 peg, the 36 peg, the 24 peg, and I believe a 31 peg is on here. I do have the straight looms, as you see here. I haven't really experienced with them yet. I did try once, but I just couldn't quite get in the groove on getting it correctly, but I will definitely keep trying on that. These looms here, I ended up getting from a friend of mine. I'm not sure what the brand is, but I have a couple of 41 inch. I have a 36 inch, 24, and a 20, I think it's a 26 or 30 on that one. Also with these came from Amazon. I actually bought that set. I don't quite remember the brand of them. It was quite a while ago. But I do have a couple of, like, my Nifty knitters are still hanging down here because the hook up here got a little too full and they were falling, so I just kind of put the extras down here. But I got a couple extras here of the 24, the 36, and the 41 peg. And then over here I have the KB looms here, the really tight peg ones, kind of really close here. I have 4 different sizes on those, and then of course I have my smaller looms like my 12 peg and my 24 I have hanging on there also. So that's kind of a different variety to kind of show you what different types of looms I have. I also have an Afghan loom that is by KB. I bought that on Amazon also. Yes, I do a lot of my shopping when it comes to my crafts and stuff online and have it shipped to my home because, as I stated in my previous video, we run a trucking business and we are on the road a lot. We come home at least once a month and kind of hang out here for a week or whatever, kind of get some stuff done. But most of my knitting and stuff I do when I'm out on the road because it kind of gives me something to keep me busy other than, you know, just sitting there staring out a windshield all day. But of course, running a business, you have all the paperwork and that too. But I wanted a hobby, and this definitely was a hobby for me. When I first started it, I didn't think I would be able to get it, but I'm one that, you know, I don't give up. I keep going and going until I finally figure it out or figure whatever it is I'm trying to work on out. So guys, that kind of shows you a little bit of what loom stash that I have. That's what my husband calls it, my loom stash. But he was nice enough to help put some hooks up for me and get all my hooks put away. My next video, I'm going to kind of show you my yarn organization and go over how I store all of my yarn. So thank you all for watching today, and you have a wonderful Saturday. See you next time.